Hi, to turn on and off fast charging on the Samsung Galaxy Tab S10, firstly we will need to go in the tablet settings, and from here scroll on the left side to select this battery setting. And now we need to scroll on the right side to go in charging settings, and after that you will see this feature fast charging. So mine is currently disabled because the switcher is gray, but we can easily enable it if we just tap on the switcher so it will light up blue. And now it will take less time to charge this device, which is pretty cool. So not all devices have this option to enable and disable this fast charging feature. And just use it here by tapping on the switcher, so to disable or to enable. And that's it for today. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe, like and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.